Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best rolling carts for teachers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Office Depot Mobile Folding Cart. Want a budget-friendly option? Want a simple cart that is designed for hauling things from one place to another with ease? Looking to store all your different teaching materials in one place? Then you may want to check out the Office Depot Mobile Folding Cart. Pros: heavy duty. You can store a lot of items in this and it will allow you to haul anything with ease. Simple design. It's a box with a wheel and a handle, but it's built to last. Comes with a lid that can be used as additional desk space when teaching. Number 2. Our second best pick is MemoryStor Universal Rolling Cart. Leading off the list is the ECR4 Kids MemoryStor Universal Rolling Cart. This rolling cart is designed for the busy teacher in mind. With an excellent organizational layout for arts and crafts, books and other sorts of teaching material. The MemoryStor Rolling Cart is a solid choice for any teacher looking to get organized and be able to take their class on the go. Pros: designed with teachers in mind. The layout is good for various types of teaching material. Over 30 different compartments with this tote bag. Has wheels and a handle, making it easy to take with you on the go. Number 3. Our third best pick is Quick Cart Hand Cart, Heavy Duty Cart. The Quick Cart Hand Cart is ideal if you're looking for something to keep all your teaching materials in one place for those times when you're wanting to pick up your classroom and go, or if you want to keep your classroom nice and tidy by putting away all your teaching materials in one item. Pros: lightweight and heavy duty. This thing folds up nice and well for easy storage in a closet of the back of a car when not in use. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ECR4 Kids ELR 207024 Tier Metal Rolling Utility Cart. This is your standard, 3-tiered rolling cart that can allow you to put numerous supplies on the cart. It comes with a handle and wheels. It's perfect for the online teacher who wants to create a professional home classroom and needs that extra storage. Pros: easy to assemble. Well-made material and your choice of colors. It's a simple, sturdy, well-made hand cart. Ideal for adding extra storage to your classroom. Cons: not designed for mobility. Perfect for mobility at a school or within your home, but this item is not designed to be thrown in the back of a car or on an airplane like other items on this list. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Designa 3-tier Rolling Cart. A highly functional rolling cart specifically made for teachers. If you're teaching online or in the classroom at school, this rolling cart is a great choice. It has 3 tiers for storage and 3 mesh holders for easy access to whatever you need at the moment. Lastly, it comes with magnetic circles that double as storage as well. More of a gimmick, but it makes the cart look great. Cons: it's ideal for a home office or classroom setting. If you're looking for something that you can take with you on the go, this cart is not it. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.